Well, we just had two pieces of worrying information on the economy, a big drop in housing starts and also a sharp rise in producer prices. Economics editor Mike McKee sorting through those numbers, and they may not be as bad as it first looks. Right, Mike?
Yeah, there's a lot of things in this world I worry about more than these numbers, Betty, and I'll tell you why. First of all, take a look at housing starts. Yes, a bad headline print, but you have to go back and look at what happened the prior 2 months. They were revised higher by a total of 24,000. So you add that into the headline, you're back over 500,000, and you're pretty much on trend with what we have seen. Where was the weakness this time? In multifamily housing. Single-family housing drops about 12%, but a 46% drop in multifamily housing. Well, what happened the month before? Multifamily housing, co-ops, condos, apartments rose 87%. You had to figure there would be some give back there. Everybody's talking about foreclosures. Let me show you something interesting. Foreclosures are dropping off, so we may see, as the year goes on, some additional strength in construction, and building permits not reflecting that yet. They do drop a little bit. Now, in terms of the PPI, yes, it was bad, but it was pretty much all oil, and anybody who's been filling up their car knows that story. The producer price index rises by 1.6% on the month. You strip that out and look at the core rate, it's only 0.2%. Still, the Fed's got to look at the overall number, especially with the criticism it's gotten about not eating or driving. That's up 5.6% on the year so far. But you put the two things together, look at the difference between crude prices and the PPI. Crude prices have been rising a lot faster than the PPI each month, and that's getting absorbed somewhere along in the chain. So companies with their profit margins wide still able to absorb these price increases from energy and food, and it's not affecting the consumer all that much yet. Fed and other economists don't think it's going to. Betty?
Okay, so that's the key, not affecting the consumer quite yet. Mike, thank you.